Hi infant families, we sure do miss you. We thought we'd like to share a little bit about an area that would be important for you as you take care of your kids at home, and that includes watching behaviors. Every child is trying to communicate when they cry, when they laugh, when they're worried, and so we have some charts here at school we thought we'd talk to you about to kind of give you an idea. And they're not in order on these boards or on these cabinets, but we start with the red zone, which is an area of where they're angry, terrified, out of control, or crying. And then the yellow zone over here is when they're more frustrated, worried, excited, or less out of control. And so they're just not quite as happy as we'd like them to be, or we're recognizing that things aren't just quite right. And then the green zone over on the end is when they're happy, calm, and that's just, the zone that we'd like our children to be at. And so that's our goal. And then the last zone is a blue zone. And that talks about things when the children are getting sleepy, when they're sick, or when they're sad, or when they are asleep, or even moving slowly. That these are all signs that the children are trying to communicate with us. And so as you get down on the floor with your children, that's really important to be able to recognize what life is like from their perspective, whether they're laying on the floor or sitting up or walking around at their level. Then you can see, maybe there's something in the environment that is bothering them. If you see the facial expression that's in the yellow zone, or in the red zone, if they're crying and screaming and you're not sure why, they're trying to communicate. So we thought we'd like to share those with you to help you pay attention to this while you're at home, and recognize that our kids are always trying to communicate with us. And even with my 17 and 20-year-old, I have to practice this. Miss Kendra and I were just talking about that. So I hope you have a great Easter weekend, and we will talk to you again later. Bye.